Mas, inanong mas.
Alright, everyone over here this way. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready to mambo? Okay. The second part is about how we can all survive together. It represents the cycle of life that reminds us all from birth to death, our life depends on nature. Without the nature, we cannot really survive, live, exist. Whether you are rich or not, it doesn't matter, we are all the same. And we were all raised by the nature. The dudes here we want to show you, starting from up there, the men and the women sculptures, they represent our parents. Some of you are parents already. The beginning of human life gave birth to us, took care of us, and teaches us all the good things in life. Up there you can see the circle. That refers to the universe where every one of us live together. And over there, that sculpture there, that is Mother Earth. Inside, we call that Menturani. And that represents the earth that we walk in, where we find food and accommodation. The sun figure here gives us daylight and heat. The moon figure right there brings us high tide and low tide, like the sea level, and these are the days of the week. Sun is Sunday, moon is Monday, Tuesday is Mars, Wednesday is Mercury, Thursday is Jupiter, Friday is Venus, and Saturn is Saturday. The day that we were born indicates only the unique personalities of every individual. Overall, into this hall, it only reminds us about how important the influences of the nature in our lives, regardless of our diverse background. Rich or not, whatever personality we belong to, we are all the same, and we deserve the same treatment and